if you must sell, you must have that ability to answer already answered question. Did you understand that? Okay, one of my prospects said this to me. It got me thinking, but then let me just show you what it is. Did you see that? I came to conclusion that the way you treat your prospect will determine if they will buy from you or not. Of course, you know that there's a difference between a prospect and a client, right? A prospect is that person that intends to buy from you, either a service or a product, right? So the way you treat that prospect is very, very important. You have to be very patient with those guys. Okay, this client of mine, when he reached out to me for a website development service, I was able to give him all the details he asked me. But then, what got this guy stuck with me was because I was patient to answer some questions that I've already answered before.